Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our online EVS class, and I hope you all know that from now onwards we are doing, in this week we are doing our revision work. So I hope children, the revision in EVS which I gave you last time, I hope you all have completed that revision, which was combined revision of chapter 1 and 2. So children, I hope you all have completed the revision exercise as well as activity number 1. Now today we are going to do revision number 2. Okay, so I want you all to first know about the topic, because your next topic is of chapter number 3, that is our sense organs. Okay, so first of all, I will give you a short recap of the chapter, and then after that I will give you the revision exercises as well as one activity. Okay, so are you all ready children? In this video, first of all I will explain you the topic in short, and then I will give you 2 revision exercises, and in my next part video I will be giving you activity number 2 to complete for this chapter. So are you all ready children? Very good. So make sure children, for knowing about the chapter, you have to take out your Enjoying Environmental Studies book number 1, that is for class 1, you all know, and then turn to page number 10. Okay, chapter number 3, our sense organs. Is that clear? Now I'm not explaining you this chapter in deep. I'm just giving you some key points about this chapter just to recall the chapter in your minds. Okay, and then after that we will do the revision exercises. Okay, so as you all know that we have 5 sense organs. हमारे body में 5 sense organs होते हैं. सबके पास 5 sense organs हैं. And what are those 5 sense organs children? Very easy. Eyes, nose, tongue, ears and skin. Okay, 5 sense organs. Eyes, जिससे हम देखते हैं, नोज जिससे हम स्मेल करते हैं, टंग जिससे हम टेस्ट करते हैं, ईयर जिससे हम सुनते हैं, और स्किन जिससे हम कोई भी चीज को फील कर सकते हैं. Is that clear? Our eyes helps us to see things around us, and we all know that we have 2 eyes. Then we have 1 nose which helps us to smell things. Okay, we have 2 ears which help us to hear sound. Okay, whichever the sound we listen with the help of our ears. And the next is our tongue. We have 1 tongue and it helps us to taste food. Okay, whatever we eat, whatever food we eat, we know if it is sour, if it is salty, if it is sweet. Whatever we eat, how can we make out that it is sweet, salty, sour, bitter? Because we have tongue for the taste. Okay, and when we put anything on our tongue, we can immediately tell that what kind of taste it has. Okay, now our skin help us to feel, and we have skin all over our body. You all know पूरी हमारी body पे skin है, और उस skin पे अगर ठंडा पानी गिरता है तो हमें पता चल जाता है कि ये बहुत ठंडा है, बहुत chilled है. गर्म पानी गिरता है या गर्म कोई चीज हम छू लेते हैं तो हमें पता चलता है that this particular thing is hot. Okay, so these 5 sense organs are very important to us. They are like our best friends, and we should always take care of our sense organs. Okay, so I hope this topic is clear to you all. In this topic there is only about our sense organs, and the main thing which you have to remember is that we all have 5 sense organs, and the names of 5 sense organs are eyes, nose, ears, skin and tongue. Okay, and you should remember what each of the sense organ, how each of the sense organ help us. Okay, like eyes help us to see, nose help us to smell, ears help us to hear or listen, tongue help us to taste, and skin help us to feel. So that is all in this topic children. So now I will be giving you notebook exercise, revision exercise. So for that you have to take out your revision notebooks. Are you all ready? Very good. Now children, as you all know that I have told you to make a separate revision notebook for all the subjects. So make sure, children, that you have to write down today's date, okay? And you have to write down today's date, and today's date is 27/5/2021, okay? And in the first line you will give the heading chapter number 3, our sense organs, okay? And in the bracket you will write down revision number 2. So today we are going to do revision number 2. Revision number 1, I hope you all have completed, and once again I want to show you all that what was in our revision number 1. This was our revision 1, children, which I gave you. Let me just tell you this. First, chapter 1 I gave you about me. That was an activity which I gave you to write your favorite things, okay? And this work I gave you on 25th, okay? And then after that I gave you chapter number 2, our body is wonderful, revision number 1 of that chapter, okay? So I hope you all have completed this. And now those who have not completed first revision, then please make sure you complete the first revision, and then you will continue with this chapter number 3, revision number 2, okay? Now today what we are going to do in this revision number 2, children, we are going to do first exercise, that is part A, which sense organ helps you to. कौन सा सेंस ऑर्गन हमें हेल्प करता है, ये चीजें हमें पढ़ के, ये सेंटेंसेस हमें पढ़ के आंसर देना है, ओके? सो लिसन टू इट केयरफुली. वॉच टेलीविजन. हम टेलीविजन किससे देखते हैं? आईज से. फोन हम आईज से देखते हैं. हम कोई चीज पढ़ रहे हैं तो हम आईज का यूज कर रहे हैं. सो this time when you are watching my video, that too also you are watching with your eyes. So watch television. So which sense organ is helping you? Eyes, okay? So here you will write EYES, eyes, okay? Now coming to the second part, smell a rose. Now which sense organ helps you to smell a rose or anything which you want to smell, any fragrance or anything which you smell? Which sense organ helps you to smell? Very good, nose, okay? So here you will write NOSE, nose. Is that clear? Now coming to the third part, know that the water is hot, okay? आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि पानी गर्म है या पानी ठंडा है या आपकी टी गर्म है, कॉफी गर्म है? How will you know? By touching. And while touching, children, your skin will feel something, hot, cold, anything. So which sense organ helps us to feel something? Skin. So here we will write SKIN, skin. Is that clear? And coming to the last, fourth part, listen to music. So which sense organ helps us to listen to music or listen to anything which you hear? Sense organ that helps you to listen or hear is your ears, okay? So you will write here EARS, ears. Is that clear, children? So I hope this topic is clear to you all. Fifth sense organ I have not given here, and but you should know if in your exams I give you how you will feel the taste, okay? How you will feel if the food is sweet, salty or anything, then there you will write tongue, okay? But here today I have given you only 4 sense organs. So let's repeat them. Watch television, sense organ, eyes help us. Then smell a rose, which sense organ? Nose help us to smell a rose. Know that the water is hot, skin. And listen to music, ears. So that is all for this video, children, part 1 video. Now in part 2 video I will be giving you other revision exercise. That will be a B part of question answers. 2 question answers I will be giving you, and after that I will give you an activity for this chapter, okay? So for that you have to switch on to my next video, that is part 2 video, okay? So till my next video, bye bye.